road. It actually runs really good. What's up, guys? We're gonna go through this 250R. I checked this thing out for the first time. I just purchased this, very excited about it. But let's look through this thing head to toe. Kind of zoom in on some fine details on this awesome build right here that's known as a clean mint 250R for sale in Tucson, Arizona. Let's see how clean and mint it is. Let's get into the video. Project 250R is back. We just found this 1987 TRX250R in Tucson. It's got a 310 kit, a purple frame, which I'm not happy about, but this thing's gonna get a full build. Pretty excited about it. Definitely can tell they put some time into the engine. Everything is literally polished and chromed out. Too nice for what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm very happy about the 310 kit. We've got one of the best pipes on this for all around riding. ESR TRX5. Overall, I mean, this would have been a pretty cool build, I'd say 10 to 15 years ago. You got the standard travel suspension. These are actually some of the nicer work shocks you could buy at the time. This thing is honestly just bringing back memories for me, right down to these shredder front tires, pull shot rear tires. It's got an extended swing arm on it. Got some bubble gum on there. I'll zoom in right here. Got a little bubble gum weld right there. Let me see the camera real quick. This is turning into a walk around video, guys, and I apologize, but I just want to show you my new gem here. Oh. No, I'm excited, guys. They're always going to need some love in TLC, and we're going to be doing all kinds of mods to this. So this is going to be like a full motocross type build with the ability to throw larger tires on it and go rip the desert. And I guess more or less explore Arizona riding on a 250R. Because let's be real, these things are one of the funnest quads ever built. But overall, it doesn't look bad. She doesn't look bad. I've got to give it a once over. You guys are looking at it for the first time just like I am. Overall, not too bad. I can tell the frame's been re-welded. Looks like this bar's been added in because they upgraded it to the 88 style motor mount. Got an 88, 89 style pivot with this extended swing arm. There's some more bubble gum. Not too bad, not too bad. I can't bitch too much. All right, let's start her up. Here we go. I don't know, is this like a video of like what to look for when you buy a quad?
Yes.
Should I talk about the ball joints?
You should teach people.
Just check your ball joints, guys. Check your tie rods. You don't want to die. You don't want to be like me, have your ball joint snap, blow your back out. Ooh, she backfired. Probably not gonna start. Probably can't hear me, but there's no packing in that muffler. rusty, so. Oh man, what do we got going on here? Yep. This is not how you adjust your idle, guys. Some people think so. You want to make sure you have throttle free play on your bike, because if you don't, it's going to do what exactly just happened. We still have no free play. Not good. No free play. Let's see if we can loosen this up. Oh, cable's broke. There's the problem. See right here? It's cracked. So this is already all the way in. So if this is all the way in, and this is all the way in, and we don't have free play, I have a little bit now. I have a little bit. First time seeing it with the seat off, we've got a grommet missing. God, I love how they have the O-rings on these pipes, but the little sheet metal screw's not doing too well. Yeah, somebody definitely did some work to this bike. Grease fitting is hitting the bottom of the shock right there. I don't know, guys. What do you think? You think this is a plopped out pile, or do you think it's worth it? Because I think the motor is going to be very solid. I'm excited about it, but I can already see like the chassis is. Let's just say in the next couple of videos, you guys are going to see us completely tear this down. We're going to get this frame stripped. We're going to install our gusset kit because she needs some love, guys. She needs some love. It's really weird using a stock seat latch. So I used our billet seat latch. Choke plunger's busted. The knob's gone where it threads in. It's kind of just chilling. These are things you got to look for. See, guys, I bought this like knowing that I'm going to basically do everything to it, but I feel bad for people that actually genuinely want to go buy a bike and they end up with something like this. Out quad I ever rode. It actually runs really good. Just got to give it some free play. Adjust your idle. So yeah, guys, this is a mid quad in Tucson. I'm starting to see the way people roll out here. It's all good though. Sorry for the wind. Probably can't hear me. But the guy that sold it to me was a really cool dude. We're gonna explore Arizona on a 250R. And that makes me happy. So that's what I'm doing. Time to get back to the quad content. The quad stuff actually started on our YouTube channel. You guys might remember the original Project 250R build. The thing was wild. I'll insert some clips of me riding that on the track in New York, up at Scott's motocross track. And hoping to do the same with this bad boy right here. But man, I'm hungry. It's late, it's getting late. I know the sun's wide open, but it's dinner time. We're doing this after work. So we already put in our 10-hour day, and sometimes you gotta spend that extra couple hours and go get yourself a 250R. But I'll be dreaming about this bad boy tonight. Motor runs solid, that's all I wanted. I just wanted a motor and frame to work with. I'm excited, so stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna do a teardown video. I'm gonna tear this thing completely apart. We're gonna pick it apart from head to toe. Basically what I just did, but fine tooth comb. gonna find every crack. I'm gonna show you guys how to install our gusset kit on the 250R frame. And I'm probably gonna tear the motor apart and freshen it up. Might look into it with the camera, do a compression test, all the fun stuff. I mean, it shifts great, the clutch feels all right. But we're gonna dive into it, guys, and it's time to get back to the quad content. Have you ever sat on a 250R?
Maybe Dawn's.
Okay, so you sat on Dawn's.
Yeah, actually I did.
Okay, you haven't rode one.
No.
So you're gonna have to get out of the Talon and take this bad boy for a rip once we go through it, because I do not feel comfortable.
Flippers will work.
Oh God. Don't start it with that.
No, I'm not.
Oh man. Yeah, it's promising.
Yeah.
It's got the pipe I want, it's got the motor I want. Just gotta go through it, make it how I need it.
Just need some TLC.
All right, see you guys in the next video.